Well, we use concrete and bricks in building construction, and of course, we must because the buildings we constructed today are meant to last for hundreds of years. The decisions we make now will directly impact the lives of future generations living in those buildings. Take the United Kingdom as an example. We have thousands of heritage and older buildings built decades or even centuries ago. Many of them are now classed as hard to treat or hard to retrofit, and they consume far more heating energy just to keep the inside warm. With the UK now having some of the highest energy prices in the world, we are seeing the widely known phrase come to life, which is heating or eating, a harsh reality during the ongoing cost of living crisis. The concrete wall, let's begin with the thermal conductivity, which is a measure of how easily heat can pass through a material. If a material has a very high thermal conductivity number, like the concrete wall that has 1630 milliwatt per meter per Kelvin, it lets heat move through it quickly. U value, or thermal transmittance, is a measure of how much heat passes through a building element, like a wall, window, or roof. In this case, concrete wall has a higher U value of 3.4 watt per meter square per Kelvin. Lower the thermal conductivity or U value, better the insulation, lower the losses. This could mean that most of the buildings that we have in the United Kingdom are either solid brick wall, which has a thermal conductivity of approximately 840 milliwatt per meter per Kelvin and a U value of 2.3. It is slightly better than a concrete wall, but still far too much heat passes through it. We are going to examine all of it when we apply vacuum insulation panel. This cavity wall, which is quite normal nowadays for new building constructions, that has a thermal conductivity of approximately 380 and a U value of 1.5 watt per meter square per Kelvin. It is better than both solid brick and concrete walls, but there is still considerable energy loss, which we can and should be reducing. Later, we will see how these numbers can be reduced with vacuum insulation to levels that truly show what energy efficiency really means, or when we minimize the leakage of cooling or heating energy loss with it.